Hello viewers, in this video I am going to tell you about Intelligence Bureau Recruitment 2020, for which the education qualification is from class 8, class 10, class 12 and up to postgraduate. Age limit for application is from 18 years to 56 years. Male and female both can apply. Interested applicant can send their complete application to the address given in the notification. The details of the notification are as: this is the official notification for Intelligence Bureau recruitment. The position for which applicants can apply are: Deputy Director vacancy 2. Eligibility is officers of the central government or state government or union territories or public sector undertaking with 2 years of service in the grade rendered after appointment. Bachelor degree in engineering awarded by a recognized university in the field of electronics or electronics and communication or electronics and telecommunication. Senior Research Officer vacancy 2. Eligibility is officer under central or state government or union territories, universities or recognized research institution holding analogous post with 5 years regular service in the post in pay band rupees 15,600 to 39,100 plus grade pay of 5,400 or equivalent. Education qualification: master's degree in economics, statistics or business administration or management or commerce from a recognized university or equivalent. 5 years experience in macroeconomics or research work. Library and information officer vacancy 1. 5 years service experience within the grade rendered rupees 15,600 to 39,100 plus grade pay of 5,400. Qualification: master's degree in library science or information science. 7 years professional experience in public or institutional library. Security officer technical 6 vacancies. 3 years regular service in post in pay band 9,300 to 34,800 with grade pay of 4,600. Possessing degree in electrical or electronics or communication engineering or MSc in physics. 3 years practical or field experience in detection and disposal of explosive devices. Deputy Central Intelligence Officer 10 vacancies. 2 years service in grade rendered after appointment thereto on regular basis in the pay band 9,300 to 34,800 with grade pay of 4,800 or equivalent. Education qualification: bachelor degree in engineering awarded by a recognized university in the field of ECE or computer science engineering. Assistant Group Intelligence Officer 54 vacancies. 2 years service in the grade rendered after appointment on a regular basis in level 7 or equivalent. Possessing bachelor's degree from a recognized university or equivalent. 2 years of experience in security or intelligence work. Assistant Central Intelligence Officer 2, 55 vacancies. 5 years service experience rendered after appointment on the basis in level 6 or equivalent. Education qualification: graduation from any recognized university or equivalent. 2 years experience in security or intelligence work. Desirable knowledge of computers. Assistant Security Officer 12 vacancies. Education qualification: diploma in electrical or electronics or communication engineering. 2 years of practical experience. Assistant Security Officer 10 vacancies. Possessing degree from a recognized university or equivalent. 2 years of practical experience in disposal of explosive devices. Personal Assistant 10 vacancies. Research Assistant 1 vacancy. Possessing master's degree in economics, statistics or business administration or management or commerce from a recognized university or equivalent. Accountant 24 vacancies. Female staff nurse 1 vacancy. Caretaker 4 vacancies. Junior Intelligence Officer 1 Executive 26 vacancies. Junior Intelligence Officer 1 Motor Transport 12 vacancies. Junior Intelligence Officer Grade 2 Motor Transport 12 vacancies with 5 years regular service in grade rendered in the scale 5,200 to 20,200 with grade pay rupees 2,000. Security Officer Motor Transport 15 vacancies. Officer of the central government or state government holding analogous position, essential matriculation or equivalent. Halwai cum cook 11 vacancies. Multitasking staff gunman 24 vacancies. This is the application which the applicant has to fill with all his details and send it to address: the Joint Deputy Director, Intelligence Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs, 35 SP Marg Bapu Dham, New Delhi 21 within 60 days from the date of issuance of this circular. The link of the detailed notification of this recruitment is given in the description of this video. I hope the information shared by me was relevant to you. Please like and share this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.